How to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound on Windows 11. So if you want to fix your Bluetooth connected but no sound on your Windows 11, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to search for services, open up your service. Here you need to search for Bluetooth support service properties. Right click on it. Go with the properties. From the properties, make sure the service status is running. And under the startup type, you need to go with the automatic option. And after that, go with OK and apply. This might fix your problem. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to go with Bluetooth and devices. And under the devices here, you need to click on it. And if you have any other devices connected to it, then you just need to simply go with the right side and you need to go with remove device. After removing any other device that is connected, then your problem might be fixed. Now you can go with add device, which is on the top right, and then add another device. Or you can also disconnect your current device and then again add the same device or pair the same device, and your problem might be fixed. And after that, you need to go with system, which is on the left side. From the system, you need to scroll down and go with the sound section. Under sound, go with more sound settings, and here you will have the speakers. So you need to click on the speakers and you will have show disable devices. Make sure that it is turned on, and disable any other device that you're not using, like for example virtual speakers or your headphones. You just need to simply go and disable that device once, and then again go with the right click and then again enable that device. After disabling and enabling, your problem might be fixed. After that, you need to go with OK. Now go back from your settings, and here you need to go with the left side and then go with troubleshoot. Search for troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot settings and go with other troubleshooters. Under troubleshooters, you will have the audio option, or you can also go with the other troubleshooters right here and then go with Bluetooth. And from here, you need to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. After running this troubleshooter, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, right click on your Windows and go with the device manager. From your device manager, you need to go with Bluetooth, and here you will have all of the devices that you've connected. So you need to click on the device that you've connected, like for example, your phone or some headphones or something like that. And then you need to right click on it, go with properties and update driver. So go with the driver details, which is right here under driver. You will have update driver. You need to go and update your driver. After updating, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.